Thank you again for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. At National Gear Repair, we're specialists when it comes to single and dual extruder gearboxes. As you can clearly see in this video here, this is a KMD Krauss Maffei KMD 90 model that we're doing a full rebuild for one of our top clients in the Northwest. This box here has been split apart from the horizontal to the vertical section, and we're going to be doing a full rebuild. At National Gear Repair, we stock a large variety of tandem thrust bearings specifically for dual extruder gearboxes. This box here seems to be in decent condition on the vertical side. We are still exchanging every bearing and seal. However, on the horizontal part, as you can clearly see here, the dual shafts have been damaged. So we'll be exchanging these with brand new parts from Krauss Maffei. Not to mention, like I mentioned, the tandem bearing will be changed.
Also
the thrust bearing here will be changed by National Gear Repair. And all these boxes come back specifically timed from a certain pattern from the original OEMs. And National Gear Repair are experts when it comes to single and dual extruder gearbox repair. All their work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of startup, which means if we happen to repair a box for you, your warranty starts when you put it in production. Not while it sits on a shelf or in your boneyard or in your tool room or storage room. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels as we put out video content daily. And last but not least, we'd like you to leave any comments, any questions, any concerns in regarding to this video that we're doing. Please continue to watch the full rebuild, and it shouldn't take too long. We usually compact about 3 or 4 minutes on our videos. But thank you again for watching, and please continue. Thank you.